Eighth match of the World Cup. It's Italy versus France. Allianz team, Italy, will take the kickoff.
Allianz is warming up.
Allianz passes it to Arash, but then there's a throw in for Italy. Allianz gets the ball. Dhawan pressing on Allianz. Oh, to Arash. Arash, will this be the first blood for Italy? No, it won't. Oh, it's in. Asher is the only person in. Asher has to get through it in. Then Arash. And now Allianz. The tough one. Oh. Oh, a block. No. Ash. Oh, a bad shot.
By Asher.
It's Asher. It's Asher. It's still Asher. It's still Asher. Asher will pass it to Dhawan and through ball. But Dhawan shoots it horribly. Oh, it's Asher. If he shoots it. Oh. And brilliantly in goalkeeping as he plays in attack. Oh, it's Asher again. Oh, what a save by Asher. Also doesn't know how to oh. Start race. Dhawan is in. He shoots it. No goal, no goal. To get the ball from Asher. Pass it to Anas. Will it be the first blood? Yes, it will be the first blood for Allianz. It's the first goal for Italy. It's Asher versus Allianz. Asher. Oh. Oh wait, what's happening? What's happening? Will this be the first, second goal? Will it be? Yes, it is the second goal. Italy has two. Yeah, you're up. It's goal kick for England. He shoots it. Oh! It's back from Asher. It's 2-1. That's out. He was all the way there. Okay, continue. Goal. It's a goal. It's 2-2. It's Asif. I mean, it's Allianz. Allianz shoots it. It's a goal. It's clear goal. Are you dumb? It's Dhawan. And it's a goal. It's a goal. It's 3-3 in the game. He gets through Dhawan. Asher. He shoots it. Yes, clear goal. Allianz gets one. He passes it to Arash. Arash with the ball. Hamza defends it accidentally. Don't know what's happening. Hamza doesn't give a through ball. Oh, accidental. Oh, Asher. It's Allianz. Will he score this? Chance for Italy. No, he passes it to Arash. No goal, no goal. Ali's front, but now he comes back. Dhawan pressing on Arash. Arash. Foul. It's the second half of the 8th game. France versus Italy. Dhawan will pass it. Oh my, what is this? What is this?
What is 3 players?
It's Allianz. It's Uncle Allianz. He shoots it in. And Johnson saves it. A beautiful save. It's Asher. Asher gets past Umar Ali. Will Asher shoot? Yes, he will shoot. But it was wide. Allianz gets past Dhawan.
Now Bruno Singh like Messi man.
Oh, will Allianz shoot? He passes it to Umar Ali. But Umar Ali as always shoots it outside. Oh, it's Allianz. Open goal. Oh, it's Allianz. Allianz. What is Allianz doing? Allianz shoots. It's not goal. How's it goal? Okay, VR decision. VR decision. No goal. Clear. No goal. Encore Asher. Asher. It's Asher. It's still Asher. Asher dribbles through one. He passes it to Arash. Arash with the counter attack. Dhawan only defends. Asher is goalkeeper. We don't know what will happen. A brilliant save. There are audience in our place. It's Dhawan. Oh! It's Allianz. He passes it to no one. Another shot. Asher. It's 4-3. Will he take the lead? It's Allianz. it was so close. It's Ashar. Will he take the lead by 6? Oh! Dhawan, as everyone knows, Dhawan cannot shoot if you are a SK Sports fan. It's Ashar. Yeah, it's Ashar. There were people who introduced the game. It's Ashar dribbling through 3. It's Dhawan. It's a goal. This is Dhawan's tapped-in goal. He still doesn't know. He still didn't learn how to shoot. Will Ashar take the lead to 7-3. It's Asif. 5 minutes left to the game. Yeah, will it be one? Will it? Yes, back. Italy's back. It's goal. Italy's back in the game. Italy's back. It's Ashar. Will he go through Alian? No, he won't. Will it be? Oh, brilliant save from Arash. Even when he's in the game. Everyone knows Arash is in the game. Yes, the goal! Yes! Oh, it's Umar Ali. It's Dhawan. It's Ashar. Will he score? No. Oh, it's Ashar. Dhawan is in. Dhawan. Oh, Dhawan. Everyone knows he's shooting. And it's fast to Dhawan. Oh, it's Ashar. Will he extend the lead?
What the hell is it?
Will Ashar extend the lead? Oh, the ball. Around 2 minutes left. Alian with the ball. Very. Oh, Ashar with the save. 2 minutes left. It's only 2 minutes left. Alian has to do something. It's Dhawan. It's Dhawan.
Oh, Raj.
It's Arash coming out of nowhere. Oh! If Ashar scores, it will be a lead for. It's a goal. Oh, it's Ashar. It's Ashar. Will it be 8-5 now? Yes, it will be 8-5. No, it's not. It's 8-5. Now, Ashar's team for sure is going to. Is winning this game. It's Alian. It's Akral Alian. Oh, Dhawan strips. Dhawan, no goal.
He's gonna score it.
Ashar shoots. And Umar Ali is brilliant. It's Ashar. It's Ashar. It's that's 5. And now it's last play. It's Alian. Oh! Alian frustrated because it's 10-5 when that is anyways last play. So even if he scores,
9-5.
he cannot. And it's no goal. Ashar wins the game. 10-5.